Self-confidence is an essential trait that can help you achieve success in different areas of your life. It enables you to believe in yourself and your abilities, take risks, and pursue your goals with conviction. However, building self-confidence is not always easy, and it requires effort and patience. In this video, we will discuss techniques and strategies for boosting self-confidence and improving self-esteem. The first step to building self-confidence is to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Knowing your strengths allows you to focus on your areas of expertise, while acknowledging your weaknesses helps you to develop and improve them. You can use self-assessment tools or seek feedback from others to identify your strengths and weaknesses. The second step is to set achievable goals. When you set achievable goals, you create a sense of purpose and direction for yourself. Achieving these goals also gives you a sense of accomplishment that boosts your self-confidence. Start with small goals, and as you achieve them, set more challenging goals. The third step is to practice self-care. Self-care means taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. You can practice self-care by getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and taking breaks when you need to recharge. When you take care of yourself, you feel better about yourself, and your self-confidence improves. The fourth step is to practice positive self-talk. Positive self-talk means focusing on your strengths and achievements instead of your weaknesses and failures. When you talk to yourself positively, you build a more positive self-image, which boosts your self-confidence. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and celebrate your successes, no matter how small they are. The fifth step is to surround yourself with supportive people. Surrounding yourself with people who encourage and support you can help you to build self-confidence. These people can give you feedback and offer constructive criticism that helps you to improve. They can also provide you with a sense of belonging and acceptance, which boosts your self-esteem. The sixth step is to face your fears. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to building self-confidence. When you face your fears, you develop courage, which is essential for building self-confidence. Start by identifying your fears, then take small steps to overcome them. As you conquer your fears, your self-confidence improves. In conclusion, building self-confidence is a process that requires effort, patience, and practice. By identifying your strengths and weaknesses, setting achievable goals, practicing self-care, positive self-talk, surrounding yourself with supportive people, and facing your fears, you can boost your self-confidence and improve your self-esteem. Remember that building self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing these techniques, and you will become more confident and successful in all areas of your life.